Welcome to Skill Station 2. At this skill station, we're going to learn how to generate reports. So let's start by creating a new version of the workstream we created at the last station. Access your streams by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and in that pull-down menu, select Streams Management. In the Your Streams tab, click on the Safety Inspection workstream. This is going to take us to our version summary page, and from here, we can see all the different versions of the streams that we've made in the past and are working on right now. Obviously, we only have one because we've just started. But while we're here, a note about usability. Don't use the back button on your browser to try to navigate through the PulpStream system. That's going to take you back to the home page every time. Use the navigation tabs up here at the top and right here, also towards the top, to get to where you need to go. So, this is a stream that we want to work on. We're going to create a new version, so that way the changes that we make to the stream don't affect the work stream that's being used out in the field. So go ahead and click on Create a New Version. Add some comments, so that way we've got a record of what's going on. New version to add inspection reports to the flow. So this is going to take us back to our stream definition canvas here. And on the right-hand side of our stream definition canvas, click on the incident form to open it. So this is our form pop-up, and in the upper left-hand side, you're going to see a gear icon. Click on that, and in the pull-down menu, choose Generate Print Template. And that's going to make your browser start to download a Word document, which is a basic report template. PulpStream uses Word docs to create report templates. And as you can see here, it has a name, so we're going to rename it Template 1. So this is our basic inspection report template. It contains all of the fields that are in the inspection form that we made at our last skill station. So first, we're going to run this through the workstream to see what the final report would look like based on our stream configurations. This will enable us to discern what edits to make. So let's minimize that. X out of this. Yeah, that's fine. Go back to your stream definition canvas. Click on the gear icon right here in your stream definition and choose Test Document Print Template. So in the pop-up here, we want to select a record that we made earlier by clicking on it. And if you don't see any records here, that's because you haven't tested your workstream. Every time you use a workstream, it creates a record. And if you don't have one here, pause this video, go back to your workstream, and take a walk in your inspector's shoes. Go to the home page, click on the Submit New Form button to basically do the inspection, so that way we have a record here with which we can test our print template. Yeah, go ahead. I'll be here when you're done. So in the pop-up here, we're going to click on a stream record, select the one that we want to use for our template test, and we're going to upload that inspection template in doc format, and then click on the Generate button. We'll see the PDF version of what the final printed report would look like. So these are all of our preparedness questions and the answers, PPE requirements and the answers. And at this point, we'll see all of the things that we want to edit. So for example, if your company wants logos, brand colors, and any other information on a final report template, you can use this as a guide to make those changes. And I'm not going to make any edits, but if you do, go ahead and save that file, rename it Inspection Report, and we're going to use that later. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and we're going to upload that template to the documents in our stream to make it available for use in the work stream. So back here on our stream definition canvas, we're going to take a look at the components here in the right side of the screen. And in the document section, right here, we're going to hover over it. We're going to click on New Report. we're going to add our inspection report template here. Choose that file, make sure it's in doc format. And we're going to check this box because we want to make this available as a print template for anybody down the road. File added successfully. So now it's in the system. And just in case you haven't picked it up already, if you're on a Mac and you're using Pages, you're always going to want to export your files to doc format. So that way the system can recognize that it's a template file. Now that we've got an inspection report template, we want to notify a stakeholder that a report has been made so that way they can review it and approve it if necessary. So here in your components catalog, hover your mouse over the email templates. And this is going to reveal a new function. See that right here? So click on it to add an email template. So let's give it a title that our whole team would understand. So let's call it Inspection Report Email. Created email. So the sender is going to be the person who submitted the record. So go ahead and leave Record Submitter selected here in the pull-down menu. And on this screen, we can personalize the email template to make it suit your business needs and use your brand voice. So the way that we do this in PulpStream is with merge tags. See that magnifying glass there on the right side of the subject and the body fields? So you click on these to find different merge tags to suit your purposes. Now in the pop-up menu, you'll see data components, record metafields, and task metafields. So basically you just scroll through these to find the one that fits your needs, and then you click it, and then you copy it and paste it in. So that way the system will automatically merge in all of that relevant information. So let's go ahead and give it a subject. Inspection report from, let's find the location, copy it, paste it in here. Inspection report for inspection date, available for your review. Best. The PulpStream bot. And of course you can make this say whatever you want and include any of the relevant information that you need in your reports. So here, we have the opportunity to attach files to the emails that we're going to send. So go ahead and select that inspection report that we created earlier. And we're going to convert the Word templates to PDF. So that way nobody can edit the reports later on down the line after they receive them. We're going to save our changes. And we've added that successfully. So now that we're back at our stream definition canvas, you should see that inspection report in your email templates. Right? So inspection report created email. And now that we have a report to send and the email with which to send it, we need to update our workstream so that the system uses our updated template. So you're going to want to click on your send report step here in your workstream. And in that email template pull down, we're going to select that template that we just made. And the recipient type can go ahead and be record submitter because we don't have any supervisors on the team quite yet. We'll get to those in later skill stations when we learn how to build our teams and create user roles. But for now, we're just going to send it to ourselves. So save your changes and then go ahead and save the process and check in your work stream. Check in notes, added template to our send reports in the stream. Publish the version. We've got that set up in our catalog. Updated work stream with a new email template. Publish it. And that's it. And you've just learned how to use report templates, edit those templates, and automatically email them to stakeholders. So that concludes this Skills Station visit. Go ahead and test your workstream by going to your Forms catalog and taking a walk in your inspector's shoes. click on that Submit New Form button to get started.